Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves, there's no one I can turn to.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the jeans which I'll be going to convert into a very beautiful skirt. So first of all, we will draw a line in curve shape here. Keep your jeans in real position as the back of the jeans is high, so keep it like that only. Now draw a line in curve shape below the zipper part, as I'm doing. It's very simple and easy method to convert a old cloth into new one. Measurement on both the corners should be equal, marking 8 inch on both sides. Now it's time to cut it out. If you are bored from your old clothes, then this is the perfect thing which you can do. I love this DIY. This converted my jeans and my raw material into a very beautiful piece. After cutting, we have this. And from back, it will look like this. I want these pockets in my skirt, so I will not remove it. Now I will measure the front part of this piece. In my case it is 18 inch. According to that I will cut a cloth or a dupatta. Length of this cloth is 5 times of front measurement. My front measurement was 18, so it's 5 times of 18, that is 90 inch. Width of the cloth which I am taking is 10 inch. As I want 8 inch of cloth or dupatta below the jeans part, I am taking 2 inch extra for seam allowance. Currently the total length is 18 inch. I will use 8 inch of jeans part and cloth is of 10 inch wide, in which 2 inches extra for seam allowance. After attaching the cloth, the total length will be 16 inch. Now I have taken a elastic which is double in size of front part of the jeans. In my case it is 36 because my front part is 18. So 18 into 2 will be 36 inch. Now take the elastic and keep it at the edge of the cloth like I am doing. Fold the cloth like this and then remove the elastic. Now stitch here for the full length of the cloth. After stitching for the full length, I am inserting the elastic with the help of safety pin. Just move the safety pin and stretch the cloth. Do it for the full length. Guys, subscribe my channel to get the notification of my new videos. Also let me know which DIY you want next. After inserting the elastic, we will get this type of flowy skirt. Now we will keep this skirt above jeans part like I am doing and we will pin it. Do it for the full back and front. Isn't it cool to design your clothes by your own? This DIY does not took too much time, but the result was very nice. Soon we'll be going to upload a photo of me with this skirt on my Instagram account, so follow me on Instagram also. Now give the stitching here and make sure to stitch below the elastic. If we will give stitch on the elastic, then it won't be able to stretch. So after stitching the front part, stitch the back part also. So now when the stitching is done from here, have also hemmed the skirt from end. I have made this strap to tie on the waist part of skirt like a belt. Width of this strap is 2 inch and length can be taken according to your choice. Tie this in a desired pattern. I'm making a bow and your skirt is ready. To get the notification of my new videos, kindly subscribe my channel. Also like the video and comment below what you think about this DIY. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves, there's no one I can turn to.